Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Capcut application. If you're tired of Capcut lagging and slowing you down, then you can perform these easy steps in order to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've updated to the latest version of Capcut application. Simply go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Capcut into the search bar. Once you find the application in the search result, tap on it to open it up and then look for the update button. If you see an update button, give it a tap and wait for the application to download its latest version. The updated version for your application will come up with bug fixes and performance improvements. Once you update to the latest version of your Capcut application, you might be able to fix your issue. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to restart your device for a fresh start. Go ahead and press and hold the power switch of your iOS device or your Android device. Simply go ahead and slide the power off switch at the top or reboot your system. Once you've rebooted your system, you can go ahead and tap open the Capcut application, which might be able to fix the issue. Also try closing background application and freeing up some storage on your mobile device. Force close any applications that is running on your background, and once you've done that, go ahead and check for your internet connection. Connect your mobile device to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data. Free up your storage by deleting unwanted application from your app drawer. Press and hold the application you no longer wish to use and tap on the Remove App button. Tap the Delete option twice in the pop-up, and once you uninstall the application, you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through Capcut lagging issue on your mobile device. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.